Happy Mother's Day, everyone, to you or to the woman you call mother. As usual, I started out to make a simple few-page booklet type book for my mom for Mother's Day, but it turned into a stuffed book. I use this minute rice box for it, and I cut down this end piece for the spine in half and I wished I would have left it the full size of the box because it needed it. It's a pretty big gator mouth. What I did was, all through the book, I have downloaded old Victorian and Edwardian photos, black and white photos, and then I colorized them and used them throughout the book. Just some simple appliques and lace on the front. And it's just a one signature book here, as you can see. And let's get into it. I used Artie Mays' download called Lavender Hues collage papers from her Etsy store for most of the pages, like these. And I've also added my own dyed papers, some scrapbook paper here and there. And I also use a lilac mini kit freebie download from Amanda at Scrimping Mommy, and I'll show you that when I get to it. And lovely mother-daughter postcards here are downloads I got from Etsy from Charm Studio. And they come in different sizes like this, but they're just beautiful. And they come in this size here as well. This here is from Ruby and Pearl XO. This is what my booklet was supposed to start out as. This is Heather's Venti 1818 French booklet set. And inside I just put a pocket and two of these lovely postcards. And I've used lots of music paper on the back sides because I have a ton of it, and it's all very neutral and kind of makes it cohesive throughout the book. So that would be this insert here. And also you'll see throughout the book a lot of mother poetry. I use these poems from a free use site online, and they're on the back of a lot of the tags and cards in the book here. This is also Heather's Ruby and Pearl XO's. This is her vintage French receipts kit. And again, I colorized this photo. Lots of pockets with lots of tags with moms and daughters on it. And Mother's Day sentiments on the back of most of these. This is Artie Mays'. Another tag I made. I didn't colorize this one, it came colorized. I found that on Pinterest, I think. And I put another mother's poem on the back here. This is on a, you can see right here, it's a paint sample chip from the store. Another poem. I just put some appliques and rosebuds on this one. And another poem on the back. This is mulberry paper. It's really pretty. And here's a little Tim Holtz paper doll, butterfly. This is one of the ephemera pieces in Artie Mays' kit. They're envelopes. And inside I've put another one of these little postcards backed with sheet music. This card, back with sheet music, this is one of my digitals. I was messing around trying to make some, and I've got like 4 of them in here that I've been practicing with. So that's one of them. And a mother's prayer. This is from Journal Boat, the Flower Market Blue. I had these downloads from the Flower Market book I made my mom last year. And so it still fits right in with this. This, which I printed on the back of, I had a pad of paper with flowers around the border. So this is some nice journaling spots. And I printed that on the back of the pad of paper. Here's a bookmark, just plain on the back. This one is from Scrimping Mommy. It's the Lilac Mini Kit freebie download from Amanda on Facebook. And here's just a belly band with another little card on a paint chip. And another poem about mothers. This, story behind this one. In my grandmother's things, I found an old photo negative, over 100 years old. And I said, I'm going to take it to the camera store and see if this can actually be developed. Well, to my surprise, it came out this beautiful photo. And of course, I added my little coloring to it. And this is my grandmother. And this is my great-grandmother. That's about 1910. Another envelope that came with the Artie Maze's kit. And again, I put another little postcard in there, mother-daughter. And that one's just glued down. I made this page out of Easter egg dye, I think, all the different colors in here. In another pocket. That's a poem on the back. This is my center, another Artie Maze. I love her collages. I think I have, oh my gosh, I've got dozens of them. They're so beautiful. And I always like to put a journal card in the center of my signatures. And this is one of the downloads I made, and just backed on the paper that came in the kit. And it says joy. I had to sneak a little boy in here too. He's a good little boy. This is Mom and her son on Mother's Day. Here's one more I made, digital download. This is part of Artie Maze's kit, Lavender Hues collage papers. Another one of my downloads. And this is the other half of Amanda's from Scrimping Mommy's page. I actually had to put this tag way up here because these roses are so tall that I couldn't close the book. And it's on another paint sample card. And another poem on the back. This photo, it's pretty faded, but that's me, my mother, my daughter, and my grandmother, 4 generations in 1982. Another paint chip sample. Envelope I put a bunny sticker on. And again, another postcard. Here's one of the large ones I just put lace on it. It's so pretty on its own. This was a thank you card. I just glued it together and made a pocket out of it. And I put this mother-daughter here with another poem on the back. This is such a cute picture. I love her blouse. I colorized that. Another poem here. And last page is another poem. I put these on all four corners to help stabilize it because it's just the miniaturized box. Covered it with fabric. So I hope you like my book, and happy Mother's Day to all.